Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ruchika and welcome to Creating Balance. In today's video, we will be discussing about the care and cleaning of the deciduous or milk teeth of the kids. Taking care of the milk teeth is as important as taking care of the permanent teeth of the kids, because milk teeth acts as space preservers for the permanent teeth, and they also guide the permanent teeth along the process of eruption. It is also seen that if a child has any discomfort or pain in any of his teeth, the child tends to avoid eating. This compromises his nutrition. So it is very important that we do take good care of the milk teeth of the kids. So let's get started. We will start cleaning the teeth of the child as soon as we are able to see the first tooth erupting in the mouth of the child, which is usually around 6 months of the age. Now, how can we clean that tooth? We will simply take a clean cotton cloth, wet it properly, then drain the excess water. Then we will wrap that cotton cloth onto our finger, index finger, and then we will clean all the surfaces of the teeth properly at least once a day. When the child is 1.5 to 2 years of age, we can use small cap-shaped silicone brushes. These brushes have silicone bristles only, which do not cause injury in the child's mouth, and these brushes are very easily available these days. We simply have to put that brush into our index finger and clean all the teeth of the child. Now we do not need to use toothpaste at this age. We will simply clean the teeth of the child with that silicone toothbrush and then make the child rinse properly with the clean drinking water. Now when the child is 3 years or above, we can use regular kids' toothbrushes, plastic toothbrushes with nylon bristles. But what we need to take care is that the head portion of the toothbrush should be small. The head portion is the part of the toothbrush where the bristles of the toothbrush are attached. So that portion should be small to allow proper access of the toothbrush into child's mouth. We should also take care that the bristles of the toothbrush are very soft to avoid any kind of injury into child's mouth. As the child is very small and might not properly understand how to spit the toothpaste and how to rinse well, we can avoid the use of toothpaste. We can just clean the teeth with the normal toothbrush and then make the child rinse properly with clean drinking water. When the child is 4 to 6 years of age, the child can perform his own toothbrushing. But the studies have revealed that the toothbrushing done by the parents is much more effective than the toothbrushing done by the kids themselves. So, the parents must be doing the toothbrushing for the kids at least once a day, preferably at night before sleeping. And at this age, we will also encourage the kids to do their own brushing. The kids can do the brushing in the morning, and the parents will do the toothbrushing for the kids in the evening. Now we will also use the toothpaste, but only under the observation of the parents. And also the amount of the toothpaste used should be very less. Only a pea-sized amount of toothpaste should be dispensed onto the toothbrush of the child. Now, as the child is very small, that is below 6 years of age, we will not try to teach him any specific brushing technique, as the child might not be able to properly understand or perform the technique, so the child might lose his interest or motivation into it. We will simply explain the child to clean all the surfaces of the teeth, and also the parents should perform the toothbrushing for the child at least once a day. and make sure that you are cleaning all the surfaces of the teeth, including the front surface of the teeth, then the back surface of the teeth, and the upper surface of the teeth from where we bite our food. Also take care to clean the back portion of the last tooth, because these are the portions which are usually ignored. The total brushing time will be at least 3 minutes. Although the cleaning of milk teeth is quite simple and easy to do, because there is usually some amount of spacing in the milk teeth, which is a normal thing. So cleaning of milk teeth or the deciduous teeth is quite simple. Now let's talk about the care tips for the toothbrush. The toothbrush should be properly cleaned before and after each use. After the use, when the toothbrush is cleaned, it should be stored in an open, dry and clean area, preferably in vertical position, for the proper drainage of the excess water and to allow the toothbrush to get properly dried. We can also use 2 toothbrushes, one for morning and one for night, to allow the proper drying of the toothbrush before each use. Now, toothbrush should also be replaced at regular intervals. When looking at the bristles of the toothbrush, whenever we feel that the bristles are frayed out, we should be replacing the toothbrush, because frayed out bristles are not very efficient in cleaning the tooth surfaces. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching the video.